Okay, so you want to start investing. You've heard about Acorns, right? It's that app everyone's talking about. But here's the burning question. How much money do you actually need to get started? Is there a minimum balance you have to hit before you can dive in? Let's break it down. Now, I know what you're thinking. Investing sounds like something for those with fat wallets, right? Acorns is trying to change that narrative. They're all about making investing accessible to everyone, even if you're just starting out. So, does that mean you need $1,000 to get going? Nope. Here's the deal. There's no minimum balance required to open an Acorns account. You can create a profile, connect your bank, and start exploring the app without a single penny in there. It's like window shopping, but for your financial future. But let's get real. To start investing, you'll need a little seed money. And that seed money, my friends, is just $5. Yes, you read that right. 5 measly dollars. It's like the price of a coffee, but for your future self. So, you might be wondering, why so little? Well, Acorns is all about micro-investing. It's about turning those spare change amounts into something more. You know those annoying cents left over from your purchases? Acorns rounds up those amounts and invests them for you. It's like having a tiny, money-growing fairy godmother. But it doesn't stop there. You can also set up recurring investments. Want to invest $10 a week? You can do that. $20 a month? No problem. It's all about creating a consistent investment habit. And remember, consistency is key when it comes to growing your wealth. Now, while there's no minimum balance to start investing, keep in mind that the more you invest, the faster your money can grow. It's like planting a seed. The more nutrients you give it, the bigger and stronger it becomes. So, if you can afford to invest more than $5, go for it. But don't let the lack of a big starting balance discourage you. Even small amounts can add up over time. The power of compound interest is real, people. It's like magic, but with math. So, there you have it. No minimum balance to open an Acorns account, but you'll need a modest $5 to start investing. Remember, it's not about how much you start with, it's about starting it all and being consistent. Acorns is a great tool to help you get started on your investment journey. But it's important to do your own research and understand the risks involved. Investing always comes with some level of risk, so make sure you're comfortable with it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.